Sony, better shape, and the stock has more than doubled in the past year. So why was there so much, fear from investors yesterday?
Good morning. Well, of course, an announcement like that is bound to rattle investors somewhat. There was the unfortunate timing with Greece news coming out. BNP Paribas forecasts that the maximum dilution will be 9.8%. But dilution is only part of the story. The way the news came out was rather unfortunate. It was leaked at first during trading hours, with the top line 400 billion yen figure flashing on the terminals alone without explanation, leaving investors wondering what the money will be used for. And then as the statements trickle down again during trading, the shares have continued to fall. More than anything, this shows that investor trust in the company is not yet been fully recovered by CEO Hirai.
Yeah, but since he's taken over, though, Sony really has come a long way. I mean, it's forecasting the highest profit in 20 years.
Indeed, this would be a great timing for a typical company to sell shares. Stock more than doubled in the past year. They're forecasting return to profit, and Hirai has done quite a great deal to return the company to profitability. But unfortunately, Sony has an awful track record of going back on its promises. I mean, just to give you an example, in the past 7 years, they've revised their outlook down 15 times. So investors are still looking for a little bit more proof that this time is different.
Yeah, and there was some confusion earlier about the share sale, where that money is going to. But, Pavel, $3.6 billion, that is a lot of money. How are they going to use it?
Well, Hirai has said that Sony is done with restructuring. They're moving on. They're now spending money. And one of the areas on which they will be spending money is image sensors. These are little chips that go in the smartphones like Samsung's Galaxy or Apple iPhone. So the usage of the money itself is not a surprise. And it's something that investors probably are now looking at more positively, now that they had a day to take stock and read into the reports.